Tonight, we're digging deeper into the school prayer controversy at Cranston West High School. The legal battle over the banner has been going on now for more than a year. This lengthy process comes at a price, and now the city is being forced to foot a big chunk of that bill. Target 12 investigator Walt Muto has the details now from the newsroom.
A local attorney waived his legal fees to help the city fight this case, but since Cranston lost, the city owes the ACLU for its legal fees. While police and school officials continue investigating threats against Jessica Ahlquist, a school committee member tells Target 12 Cranston could owe the American Civil Liberties Union up to $50,000. The ACLU is required to submit its bill within 20 days of the ruling, which brings us to the end of the month.
And in this tough
Mayor Alan Fung tells us he expects the school department to pay that bill, but Target 12 hears a different opinion from the school committee.
I think that this is kind of a joint venture between the city and the school committee, and we need to determine between our lawyers who is responsible for the bill at this point.
Lombardi tells Target 12 the school committee will get a legal opinion from the Beckett Fund for Religious Liberty during its executive session Tuesday if the Washington, D.C. based nonprofit believes there's a likelihood of legal success. The school committee still has a difficult choice about what to do with the banner that remains covered in the auditorium. Even if the city's legal fees are paid for during the appeals process, losing a case that goes all the way to the Supreme Court will greatly increase what Cranston owes the ACLU.
I did what I believed in.
And so it's hard to look at your constituency and say, we're going to spend $350,000 on a potentially non-winnable defense.
The public will not hear the city's potential legal strategy at Tuesday night's meeting because that part of the meeting is behind closed doors. In the newsroom, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.